Banana bread. Quite possibly the best baked good there is. Everyone's mom, aunt, or grandma always made the best banana bread growing up. I mean, who doesn't have fond memories of that loved loaf? But your boy here makes a mean one too. Lightly grease an 8.5-inch bread pan and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine a half cup of canna butter and 1 cup of brown sugar and beat until light and fluffy. Then, add 3 well-mashed ripe bananas and 2 well-beaten eggs and beat until well mixed. In a separate bowl, combine 1.5 cups flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. Fold in with the banana mixture, but do not overmix. Pour into pan, bake 55 to 65 minutes, checking doneness with a toothpick. Cool before removing from pan, slice, serve, and smile.